This is a Plaud NotePin S, and it's an essential device for all my in-person meetings. If you're on video calls, you get transcripts and summaries without lifting a finger. But the real-life face-to-face meetings, normally you get nothing, only the notes you've scribbled down while trying to navigate the meeting. That's the gap I've been using this device to close. In this video, I want to show you what the Plaud NotePin is, how to use it, what the outputs look like, and a few things worth thinking about before you use it with your first client. So the Plaud NotePin. The simplest way I can describe it, a digital dictaphone with a layer of AI on the top. You record a conversation and it gives you a transcript and a full summary afterwards. It's a small wearable device that you can hang around your neck using the lanyard, and it's paired with an app on your phone. Now, I've been using it for the last few months across different types of client meetings, one-to-ones and broader workshop sessions with multiple people in the room, and it's worked really well. So let me show you how it actually works. Firstly, here's how you get a recording going, and it's really straightforward. All I do on the NotePin is hold down the middle. It vibrates and it turns to red, so we're already recording. Now, one thing I do every single time before I hit record is I ask permission. And it's not about legal cover, it's just the right thing to do. And if you frame it naturally, in my experience, people don't bat an eyelid. But you do have to be aware of the nature of the conversations that you're having. And by recording it, it may change the nature of that conversation. So once we've had the conversation, all I need to do is stop that. Again, I go to the NotePin, I hold down the middle, and it turns off the red, and the conversation has been recorded. Once the conversation has been transcribed and processed by the Plaud app that's available on your phone, you can then dig into that conversation. So I'm going to choose here an old example. I'm going to click into that conversation, and we have several things in here. So we have the transcript, and if I click on any of these, I actually get the audio clips from that particular minute and that section. I can also go into my notes. And this is where the really interesting stuff happens. So I can click a summary, which gives me a nice visual of all the key points that we've discussed. It gives me a summary as you would expect from any kind of video call based transcript. So I've got all the different key points. I can also scroll further down and find actions that we have to take. So these have all the actions that myself and the other person in the conversation agreed. We have a mind map, which I find really useful just to distill the key points. And we also have an area where we can use AI to dig further. We've also got the meeting minutes. So this is the specific minutes particular to that conversation. And I found having multiple people actually in the conversation, it can pick them up really well. So what you can also do is you can assign speakers to the different, or names of speakers to the different voices. So it's a fantastic tool. And being quite candid, I often get better notes or better quality of notes from my Plaud in-person meetings than sometimes I do from my online meetings. It's really important to note that once you've purchased the product, there are limits in how many minutes you can transcribe and record meetings each month. So I'm on the starter plan, which is currently 300 minutes per month, which kind of works for me. If you want to have unlimited minutes, then there is an additional fee to do so. But again, it's worth considering if you're having lots and lots of in-person meetings, but struggling to either take actions from them or spending all the time thinking about taking notes rather than actually being involved in the conversations. So there you have it, the Plaud NotePin S. And if you're a coach, consultant, advisor and trainer that's doing lots of in-person meetings, it's worth checking out. The link to the product is in the description below. But before I wrap up, 3 things worth knowing before you use this in a real client meeting. First, recording changes the room. People behave differently when they know they're being recorded. Now, that's not a reason not to use it, but it's worth going in with your eyes open. Second, always ask permission. I've already said this, but it's worth saying again. Make it a part of how you set the session up, not just an afterthought. And third, the Plaud NotePin is brilliant, but it's just one more tool. That's all it is. It earns its place in my kit bag because it does one job really well, capturing what happened in the room and handing me something afterwards that I can action. If in-person meetings are a regular part of the work, it's worth having. To check out more videos on how I'm using AI in day-to-day client work, have a look at the AI for Experts channel. See you next time.